Hello, good day. This is another video lesson on how to create a simple flyer on Microsoft Word 2013. My name again is Samuel Ndong. I shall be taking you through the process of creating a simple flyer on Microsoft Word 2013. Okay, so this is how the flyer is going to look like. True Gold Ministry special invitation. If I scroll down here, see the whole stuff how it looks like. Okay, now let me just minimize this darkness to the left side. Yeah, you can see how the whole view now how it looks like. Okay, so next thing is to open our Microsoft Word 2013. I have the version here. Okay, so we want to create this first thing here, True Gold Dance Ministry, which is what the header. Okay, how do we go about that? Come to insert, go to header and footer, you click on header, you select this blank header. Okay, now after selecting this, we have the header area for us created. Still go back to the insert tab, click on the rectangle, or you could use a text box. Let's use a rectangle. You click and drag to draw. Excuse me, let me delete that part here. Shapes, rectangle, click and drag to draw. Rectangular shape. Let me maximize this so that I can see the whole view. Okay, so we have a rectangular shape like this and this. So you right click over it and add text. Now the text we're going to add is what? True Gold Dance Ministry. Okay, so type in True Gold Dance Ministry. They're all supposed to be in capitals. Okay, since my caps lock wasn't on, I'll do this choose uppercase from the home tab. Okay, I can increase my font size a bit. Yeah, I think that's bolder. Then make this bold. Okay, now let's do the coloring. You can see over here the color is gold, so let's make this gold. Come to shape fill under format tab, shape fill, select the gold. This gold is okay. Make sure there is no outline. Okay, so we have that True Gold Dance Ministry. Now we come out of the header and you have something very similar to that. Okay, now the next thing is to do this part. This is a text box, and what you have to the right here is also a text box. How do we insert a text box? Go to the insert tab, and towards the ending part of your ribbon there, you'll find the text box under the text group. Click on the text box, scroll down to find the kind of text box that was used in this exercise. Okay, this is it over here. It's called a slice sidebar dark. Click on it and it appears over here. So what we'll just do is to move it towards our right. Be careful not to move the text only, move it with a sidebar. Okay, we'll have it over there. Then the next thing to insert is this other type of text box here, but you won't find that kind of color. So let me show you the kind of text box I'm talking about. Scroll down here, still in the same area. Okay, I think I've passed it. It's not gonna be in the same color. Okay, this is it. It's a semaphore sidebar. Click on it and this is applied. Then shift it to the right and there, make sure it's the same height with the other one. Okay, so we're gonna color it, fill it with the green color, this green. That's okay, light green. Okay, so that's done. Now our work is really beginning to look like it's very similar. Okay, so the next thing is to type your text here. Now because I'm doing a video lesson, I won't take that time to type in everything. I'd already typed it somewhere, so I'll just copy it from where I've typed and paste. But let's start with dancing as a tool. I could always type that, your sidebar title. Okay, your caps lock on, come type in dancing as a tool. Okay, and that's done. So over here, since I have my text typed in somewhere, I just come there, highlights. Okay, yes, copy, right click on it. Okay, so the highlight it properly. Let me do it again from bottom up, right click, copy, and come over here. It's already highlighted, so I just right click over it and I paste. I choose the text, keep text only. Okay, let me choose use destination formatting, keep source formatting rather. Okay, now that's making it arrange the way it is arranged this other place, but you can notice a slight difference with a PDF created version and what we are currently working on. Now the difference is that this PDF is slimmer, so we just slim this down and the text will get themselves arranged just like the other one. Okay, that's very okay. Dancing as a tool, dancing on a tool should come on one line. Okay, let's see what the problem could be. Could be the font size. Go back to home, font size is 12. Font size of 12 is okay, so let's just increase this a bit and there. Dancing as a tool. Okay, let's increase the inner one. Okay, reduce everything, and I think this is perfect. Yeah. Excuse me. Okay, the inner bar here, let's increase the inner bar to be overlapping the same way with the other one. Now the outer bar, let's reduce it a bit. Okay, that's too much, excessive. Stick it a little bit out. Okay, so now that's perfect. What's this? Postpone for hours. Okay. Oh my god, did I click restart now? Do not restart, cancel. Okay, so we have a sidebar and everything filled in it. So the next thing is to type in the things over here in this other sidebar. Prism in the dance, Psalm 149 verse 3, then all these other text here. Okay, so Prism in advance, my caps, it's on. Let me remove that. Praise him in advance. Okay, so we have that. Now where I already did my typing, I'll come and copy this lower part, and here right click on it, copy, and come over here and paste it. Paste, keep source formatting, that's okay. Then I'll shrink this, also make it slim. Now after Prism in advance, we have the portion Psalm words. Let's check it out. Psalm 149 verse 3. Okay, so I'll highlight this part, reduce the font size here. It shouldn't be 18, reduce it to something like 14, then align this to the right just like that. Okay, so the next thing is to find this font style. What kind of font style was used here? Is the call empty. So we come over here, look for the call empty. You can just type in CU and you have the call, click on it, highlight this part also, the call empty, CU on your keyboard, type it in, and you quickly find the call empty. Okay, that font style is very okay. Now let's compare this with what we have. Okay, this seems good. Praise him in advance. Sorry, praise him in the dance. That should be what should be there. Praise him in the dance. The dance. Okay, now that correction is done. Praise him in the dance. Okay, don't miss this dance program. This, that. Then network with us. Okay, so the next part will be creating this Facebook logo and Twitter logo and the YouTube logo. Okay, Now I won't take time to show you how this will be created. I'll do a different video for this. What I'll just do now is to copy it from where I created it and pasted it. But take note, this logo was all created on Word. Word 2013 helps you to create this kind of logo. I'll show this in another video. Okay, so how do I copy this and paste? I just come over here, I have the stuff, click on it, right click, copy, come over here, click here and paste, right click and paste picture. Okay, pasting in picture format. Now I can shrink it down to make it the kind of size I want. Okay, I'll click on this, click on the outline, then move it, drag this. Okay, it's not draggable since it's in a picture format. Now let's text wrap it. Text wrap is not even possible. Okay, okay, now let me delete this. I shouldn't have saved it in picture format. Come back to where I got it. We'll copy again, then come here, paste, choose the first paste option. Okay, we have it there. Okay, and with this, click on this part and move it. Okay, the next thing to copy is this. Join us on Facebook. Copy, yeah, and paste. Okay, we have to arrange this properly. It's refusing to move. Let's see, something can be done about this. Okay, I could have just delete that. Okay, copy this and paste it. Now they aligned according to where my cursor was. I can cut it again, place my cursor here, enter, 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 then paste it. Okay, okay, then I keep my space. I go over there, copy the other logo, the YouTube logo, right click on it, copy, and I paste it over here. Ctrl V help me to paste that. Okay, now our work is really beginning to seem similar to the other the original work. So let's start this side by side. I reduce the zoom here, see the whole stuff, how it looks. Okay, so we're getting closer and closer. Next thing is just to do this text by the side of all this stuff. Okay, now let's proceed to doing that. Join us on Facebook. Let me increase the zoom here 90%. Okay, so how do we create that? How do we create this part here? Join us on Facebook. Okay, now this is done using a text box. So we come to insert under shapes, get the text box, you come over here, click and drag to draw it, then type in the join us on Facebook. Okay, this other part is hidden, but if I expand this you will see it. Finish typing everything. Okay, now you can see that this stuff has a fill color. We don't want that, so what do? Go to shape fill, and shape fill under format here, shape fill, come to no fill, click on no fill. Yeah, it's very close to it, but you can still see, if you look at your work, you still have an outline, that black outline over this. We don't want an outline, we want to just blend. So come to shape outline, click on no outline also, and the outline is gone. So join us on Facebook. Then this text should have a font color, blue font color. Okay, So we change that to join us on Facebook. Ignore. Okay, want the Facebook to be capitalized. That's okay. Join us on Facebook. We have that. The next thing is follow us on Twitter. Now, how do we do that? The same way. Insert, go to shapes, the text box, click and drag to draw the text box. Now at this point, I can click on the outline of the text box, do my Ctrl D on the keyboard to duplicate this text box. So we have two text boxes here. Okay, two text boxes. Then over here I type in what? Follow us on Twitter. Follow us on Twitter. Sorry about that. Oh my god, what am I doing? Twitter, okay. Follow us on Twitter. So let's expand this a bit so that we can see the remaining text we typed in. Okay, follow us on Twitter. The same thing. Go to the format tab over here. Come to shape fill, no fill. Okay, since we've chosen no fill earlier, just click on this, no fill, then no outline. Okay, that applies. So I want to make this color ash, not exactly black, the font color there. So come back to your home tab, font color, and select ash. We need ash that is a bit deep. Yeah, that kind of ash is okay. Then over here for the YouTube, watch us on YouTube. Watch us on YouTube. Okay, expand this a bit, expand this a bit, expand it further. Okay, watch us on YouTube, and that's cool. So YouTube, we can leave that being black, and let's work on the outline and the fill. Come back to format tab, click here and click here. The same command applies now to this, just like the other one. Okay, so far so good. Our arrangement is almost okay, but I want to move this up a bit so that we have space to type in something else. Okay, so click it and drag it, click and drag it. This is in line with text. That's okay. Click this part and drag it up. Okay, let me postpone this. I don't want to restart now. Postpone. Okay, click this and drag it up. Still in line with text too. Okay, now this is perfect. We still don't have enough space. Drag this up a bit. Okay, and drag this up a bit. Okay, yeah. Now the last part for these text boxes, type in this text, the dance show. Okay, how do I go about that? I insert another text box, a bigger one now. Shapes, text box, bigger one, just occupy the whole position. Now my caps lock on the keyboard, I type in the dance show. What's the text? The dance show, yeah. The dance show. Okay, with that I highlight everything using my keyboard now. Keyboard shortcut, that's your Control Shift and left arrow to highlight everything depending on where your cursor was. Okay, highlighted everything. Now I want to increase the font size. Control Shift and the greater than sign on my keyboard. The dance show. Okay, now that's increased. We want to use a particular font style for this. Okay, hold on, I'm going to use a particular font style for this. Okay, hold on. Okay, so come back to home tab, come and select with a very big font style. Okay, if you look at this other one here, the dance show, we kind of have this bold font style. Let's try Arial bold. I can't remember the font style I used now. Arial black. Okay, Arial black. Let's see, is it similar? It's not that close. Arial black is not that close. Okay, because we have this curved T here and the E has all this stuff. Okay, so let's try another font style. Algerian, no, not Algerian. Haroni, no. Okay, let's go down. Bell MT, down show, no, that's not bold enough. Okay, let's go down. Let's try Bennett MT condensed. Bennett MT, that's very close. Bodoni, let's try Bodoni. Bodoni is also very close. Let's compare it now. It's not Bodoni. It's not Bodoni. And very close to Bodoni though. Let's try the other one. Bernard MT condensed. Okay, that's it. Bernard MT condensed. Okay, so let's just increase this font size one more time. Okay, the dance show one more. That's too big. Okay, so this is it. That's the font style. Bernard MT. Okay, yeah, we have that. Now we're gonna color this ash color, the font color. Change it to ash. Okay, now our fill here, come to format. The fill, shape fill should be no fill. Then the outline should be no outline. Remember we did something like that before. Okay, now this is perfect. The dance show. Okay, let's check the arrangement. The arrangement is okay. Okay, okay, so we're connected now. Both stuff very okay. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is to do the text, the typing over here, that's inside here. Okay, the main typing. Okay, let's see what's the heading. Scrolling up, special invitation, dearly beloved. Okay, special invitation with our caps lock on. Typing special invitation. Okay, yeah, then dearly beloved, excuse me, yeah, highlight this now and do your Control E to center it, then underline, Control U to underline it. Okay, we're done with that. Then over here, enter to go to the next, then Control L to align left again, Control U to remove the underlining, then type in the dearly beloved, remove the drop the caps lock, dearly beloved. Okay, also dearly beloved, put a comma. Okay, so just the text here. The remaining part I have it typed somewhere. Okay, so I'll just simply go there, copy and paste. But first of all, you can see the special invitation now it's bold, so the font size is also increased slightly. So make the font size 12, make it bold, then we have this. Okay, then enter, that's the next line. Come to copy my texts. Okay, this stuff is frozen. Why are you frozen? No, don't do this, don't do this. Okay, just go to my task manager and close it, then I'll open it again. It's 1007. Yeah, okay, and task. Okay, and now okay, oh, waiting for the task to end. Okay, so that I can open another one. Okay, so that I can open it again. We'll go open it. Okay, yeah, so this is where I typed it in. This is it over here. So I'll copy this part, leave this part yet, right click, copy, and come to my Word over here, Control V to paste it. Okay, let's paste that. Oh, this looks lovely, very okay, very cool. Okay, now the next part, yours faithfully, yours in ministry, in my gold account with this number. Okay, I'll still copy that part. but it's a simple thing to do. How do we get it to be here? We just simply aligned it to the right. Okay, so let's check it out. Aligning to the right. We highlight this, come to your home tab, you see this is aligned to the right. Sorry, Control Z, so do that. This part is aligned to the right, so you can see it's already selected. Okay, so we have our work looking very similar to what we have here. The next thing is just to do these lines over here. Now this line was gotten from where? A rounded rectangle. I simply change the lines to dashes. Okay, but before I do that, let's do this shadow, and contact us in this part. All this were done in text boxes. This a rounded rectangle used this one was a text box, so converting a rounded rectangle to a text box, that's just the process to get that. Okay, so I go over here because of time. I just copy over here and paste it. Okay, now copy, yeah, over here, then Ctrl V here to paste. Okay, now that's nice. Okay, let me change this text wrapping. Okay, in front of text. Okay, that makes it movable. Okay, that's cool. Then to the part which is this part, contact us. You can see this is also a text box. I just simply remove the outline, color, and the fill. Ctrl V here to paste. Come over here to the text wrapping, choose in front of text. Okay, with that I can move it, just move it to this other side. That's easy, that's cool. Yeah, just move this down a bit. Okay, drag it, click and drag it, so come up a bit. Okay, let this come up a bit again. I'll drag this down a bit. Okay, my work is perfect. Now the last part, the concluding part of this lesson, is just to create the outline, this box outline over this stuff. So how do you create it? Come to insert tab, come to shapes, then rounded rectangle, which is this. Click on rounded rectangle, click and drag to draw it over here to cover all this stuff. Okay, it's freezing. Okay, so now just drag it over. Now don't bother that it's covering our work, don't let that bother you. We should remove the fill here and here. Okay, so we come to format tab, come to shape fill, no fill. Okay, now can you see this looking nice? Just covers your work. Click outside so you see how nice it is. Okay, we reduce the size, resize it there. Okay, click again to resize, click again to resize. Okay, that's almost perfect. Let's resize this part. Okay, and move it down with your cursor or the arrow key on the keyboard. Okay, now this is cool. So the last part, click on the rounded rectangle now. So we want to change it. Come to shape effects. No, not shape effect, sorry. Come to shape outline, come to dashes. So instead of choosing a line like this, select dashes. Okay, so that's how to convert it. So we have dashes here converted. Compare it with this. Okay, that's it. So let's just make this part come up here like this. Yeah, okay, like that. Make it come up a bit again. Okay, just follow what we have here. Okay, so this is cool. This is really cool. This is really cool. Okay, except for this watch us on YouTube. This one occupied 3 lines, but we have 2 lines here, so we could just shrink this like this and bring this down, shrink this again, Let me shrink it from this other side. Let me just maximize it so that I can shrink from this other side. Yeah, which is on YouTube. Yeah, that's exactly how it is on the other one. Okay, now let's ignore this, ignore all. Okay, YouTube, use a small letter Y. Okay, ignore again. Okay, now putting this side by side, could reduce the zoom here. Check out the overall work, what we've done so far. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. Ignore this, ignore. Okay, so ignore this, ignore this, ignore this. They're not responding. Okay, let's just leave that. So we're done with this part. Now you can see this was saved as well, a PDF. So to save as PDF, just simple stuff. On Microsoft Word 2013, if you want to save as PDF, this is what you do. You come over here to File, come to Export, Export, create PDF /XPS document. Click on it, and it provides you with this. What name do you want to save it as? Okay, just leave that name sample. What location? My document. That's okay. I click Publish, and it publishes it to PDF. So this is what we just created now. Can you see? The slight difference. My gold here is very thick colored than this. My light green here is brighter than this. These are just the differences. And the text box here is slightly slimmer than this. But overall, we got the same thing. So that's it. That's that. And this is the end of our class. Thank you for listening. More lessons will be coming up, so just keep in touch. Buy my videos. Okay, take care. Bye.